Welcome to video 5. Now this video is about setting up your master organizer spreadsheet so you stay sane during the process. Why you need this? Well, probate involves multiple forms, multiple deadlines, multiple people to notify, and multiple documents to track all simultaneously. Without a system, you will miss something, and missing a deadline can be catastrophic. So your spreadsheet is your command center. Everything goes here. Open the file called Squaxin Master Organizer Spreadsheet from your kit. Pause the video, locate it. It's an Excel file that works in Excel, Google Sheets, or any spreadsheet program. And when you open it, though, you'll see 13 tabs at the bottom. Now, each tab is a different sheet. So let me walk you through each one.